Didn't touch. If not touched means it is better for us, na. We are having time to prepare, and some sample paper questions and all we need to touch one time, na beta. Otherwise, how it is possible? So it's better to start learning. निशिका उसको अलग से पढ़ा रही हूँ. Starting the class, please. Okay, now look beta. What is the meaning of permutation? So if somebody will be, yes beta, there's some problem came, suddenly a video got off. So I started again. So beta, what is exactly, Sujata, what is first for understanding permutation? First we are going to go through with what you call factorial. So actually what is factorial? The continued product of n natural numbers is called n factorial. Understood? The continued product of n natural numbers are called as n factorial, and it is actually denoted by n factorial. So here factorial can be denoted as either this one or this one. Understood? So this is the symbol of factorial. Siddharth, are you there in the group, beta? So now this is exactly n factorial. So n factorial, when you will be writing, it will be either in the symbol. Good evening, sir. So it will come in the symbol n factorial. Okay. So better what we are going to do, either you can write this or you can write this. So these are the two symbols for factorial. Got it? So now what we are going to do here is, if somebody will give you 5 factorial, means it's the continued product. So when continued product somebody will be asking, so it will become 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It will not go 0, because the moment it will get multiplied with 0, it will become what? Multiplied to 0 means everything will become 0 only. I hope you might have understood. Sujata, can you place a message in the group that the previous what you call video was closed? So new again, auntie started the new video. So now look here, huh? Continued means one after the other, successive numbers. Understood? So if 5 after that, see, usually what you do, you go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But in factorial, you go reverse. In factorial, where you are going? Going reverse. So after 10 factorial, if somebody will give you 10 factorial, how you are going to proceed? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is exactly called as 10 factorial. I hope you might have understood. This part is considered as 10 factorial. So 5 factorial, 10 factorial, 11 factorial. So like if somebody will be giving you, you need to solve like that. Okay. Now if somebody will give you n factorial. So n factorial, how you are going to proceed? Either you go from back side or you go from forward side. So back side or forward side means from front or back. If you will go, means how you are going to write? You will be writing it as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into dash 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 into, after that into n minus 1 till n. That means it will come open how many times? It will open how many times? It will open n times. How many times it is going to open? N times it is going to open. Okay. So it will be opening how many times? N times. So that is called as n factorial. Done? Huh? So now we will go for next part. So this is exactly about factorials. So if somebody will ask you some questions related to factorials, like simple questions of factorials we are going to solve. If they will give you 20 factorial by 18 factorial. So how you are going to solve these questions? How you are going to solve these questions? So now what you are going to do is, when you will be solving these questions, it will become 20 into 19 into 18 factorial by 18 factorial. Means why we are going to open till full and then we are going to multiply? We can't do that. Now better than that, what we are going to do? 20 into 19 into 18 by 18, and 18 will get cancelled. So what answer will come? 0, 380. Why? Because 0 here, 2 9s are 18 and 2 1s are 2, 3. 380 is coming. Okay. So now if this question is coming 10 factorial by 6 factorial into 4 factorial. Come on, solve this question please. 1973. No, 1973 is not the answer. Come on, go for this. Solve this question. So when you will be solving this, 0 will be 18 factorial. We are going to cancel it. How to solve this question? Come on, solve. Two one zero. This question answer you are giving 210. Huh? Now look here. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. By down 6 factorial is there. Now 6 factorial cancel. 4 factorial will be 4 into 3 into 2. 4 to 8 gone. 3 gone. So here it is coming 30 into 7. That is 210. This one is absolutely correct. 210 is absolutely correct. Yes, this answer is coming as 210. So here 10 into 3, 30, 37, 210. Correct. So this is exactly factorial problems. If somebody will be asking you for factorial, how to solve this question, now we will be going for some questions related to factorials and we will solve the questions related to factorials. Sujata, absolutely correct answer. Huh? Done, Paja? I'll go for the question. First question, try this one out. First question is 1 by 4 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial is equal to x by 6 factorial. Go for it, please. Will you try this question, please? 1 by 4 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial is equal to 1 by 6 factorial. See, one clue can I give? When these type of questions are given, you need to go for the simplified part. I need some space to solve this question. So here itself we will solve. What is the answer for this question, beta? If somebody will be asking you this part question, then what answer you are going to give? Now look here, it is 1 by 4 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial equal to x by 6 factorial. So the minimum is 4 factorial. So what we will write? 1 by 4 factorial plus 1 by 5 into 4 factorial equal to x by 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. Done. So what we are going to do here is 1 by 4 factorial. We will take common. Can we take out 1 by 4 factorial from here? 1 by 4 factorial taken out, because here also 4 factorial, here also 4 factorial. So it will come 1 by 1 plus 5, and here it will be written as x by 30 into 4 factorial. So 4 factorial will get cancelled, and here this part will become 5 ones are 5, 6 by 5 is equal to x by 30. So 6 into 30 by 5 is equal to x. So 5 6 the 30, x is coming as 36. That's it. I hope you might have understood how to solve this question. Is it visible? Done. Siddharth, others, are you there in the group? Come on, respond me quickly, children. Here, nothing big we have to do. 1 by 4 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial is equal to x by 6 factorial is there, beta. So here, 4, we will take common from both sides and we will We will cancel it out and we will solve that question, beta. Is it tough or easy? Will you be able to do this question, beta? Second question, try Siddharth and tell the answer, beta. Second question is this one. Try this question. In shortcut way, try to solve. Same pattern. The lowest value we will take it out and try to solve it. Okay. X by 10 factorial, 1 by 8 factorial plus 1 by 9 factorial. Come on, go for it. Come on, solve this question now. Done? Can I solve? Now look here. X by 10 is there. What we will do? What is this? Lowest one is 1 by 8. So what we will do? X by 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. Here 1 by 8 factorial plus 1 by 9 into 8 factorial. Take out 8 factorial common into 90 is equal to 1 by 8 factorial. 1 plus 1 by 9. Done. Cancelled. X by 90 and here it will become 10 by 9 because 9 plus 1 10 LCM taken, so x will be equal to 90 into 10 by 9, 90 into 10, okay, by 9, so it is coming as 100. Anyone got answer? X is coming as 100. Okay, you got 100. Okay, so like this type questions will be able to solve, correct? So if these type questions are coming means we will be able to solve these type of questions. Got? So this question also I think you will be able to solve. Come on, go for next format question. Convert the format into factorial. So when these questions are coming, you need to convert it into factorials. Okay. So now here if you see a pattern, check this pattern beta. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What you are going to do? What is the answer coming for this without solving? Can you tell? So I will solve, but when you will be solving, without solving, can you tell the answer, please? What is the answer coming for this question, beta? Can you say? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What need to be multiplied there? Just answer you say. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, you are joining classes also. They have finished, na? Then what is the answer? No idea? Okay. One small trick, beta. See, how to write factorial. This is missing. Here now, what is missing is, which section is missing in this? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is there. So 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 is there. So what section we are going to multiply here? We are going to multiply here 4 factorial. Directly 4 factorial you multiply. Okay? 4 factorial into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. The denominator part is 4 factorial. Now beta 4 factorial means if you open 4 factorial will be written as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. By down beta what factorial is there? 4 factorial. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 10 factorial. So answer will come 10 factorial by 4 factorial. Answer will come what beta? 10 factorial by 4 factorial. I hope you might have understood this one. 10 factorial by 4 factorial is coming. I hope till here you have understood. For this type question, what we need to do? Come on, check this one out. N plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 till 2n. N plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 till 2n. Then what you need to multiply? Anyone respond here? Okay, wait, I'll explain this. Now understand this one better. See, if somebody will give you 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 and they will tell you express this in factorial, then how you are going to express this part as factorial? For this, you will write 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this part you itself multiplied. Understood? If you will multiply this part with the total, then only it will become 10 factorial, na beta. Hmm? So here when you have multiplied, that's what Divya, I'm doing that part only beta. So here 6 factorial. So here also 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. So up also 6, 1, 2, 3 till 1 to 6 we multiplied, down also 1 to 6 we multiplied. So when up and down numerator and denominator, both part 1 into 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we multiplied, then it will become total 10 factorial by 6 factorial. So if somebody will give you, we'll start with simple one. Okay, Divya, 4 into 5 is there. Convert into factorial. So what you need? 3 into 2 into 1. So if 1 into 2 into 3 multiplied up, 1 into 2 into 3 multiplied down, up will become 5 factorial and this one will become 3 factorial. So this is 3 factorial. Now 1 into 2 into 3 is what? 3 factorial only. 1 into 2 into 3 will become 1 into 2 into 3 is 3 factorial only. So that's what we have done here. Understood? That's what we have done actually here. Huh? So now we will go for the next question. One more question you try like that. You will understand. Now, is it clear? Something clear or not? Come on, solve this question. If you will solve this question, then you will be able to understand this part. So if somebody will write 7 into 8, what you are going to multiply up and down? Now say Divya, what you are going to multiply up and down? Say Sujata, what we are going to multiply up and down here now? See, 7 into 8 is there na beta. 7 into 8 part is there means something should be multiplied up and something should be multiplied down. What we are going to multiply up and down? Say. 8 factorial by 8 factorial will get cancelled na Sujata. What we are going to first multiply that you say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's what, so you are going to multiply here 6 factorial by 6 factorial. So it will become, overall answer will become 8 factorial by 6 factorial. Huh? So 8 factorial by 6 factorial. Come on, one more time we will do. 10 into 11. What you are going to multiply up and down? Numerator and denominator. What you are going to multiply? Come on, say. That's it. Now you understood. So here 9 factorial by 9 factorial. So overall answer will become 11 factorial by 9 factorial. That's it. Easy. Did you understood till here? So now we will do one small work. Now our work is actually increasing. So now what we are going to do is, shall we start? Now question is n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 till 2n. Now what you are going to multiply numerator and denominator. First we understood easy peasy works. So now before n what should be coming? Sorry, before n plus 1 what should be coming and what you are going to multiply? Come on, say. Any idea? Try n. N or n factorial? One work I will do. If you will multiply here n, then before n will become n minus 1. Then before n minus 1 will become n minus 2. Then before n minus 2 will become n minus 3. And then 3, 2, 1. Understood? Come on. I went opposite, na? Correct? So n factorial. She said n. So only I said it will be n factorial. Understood? So here we have multiplied this total section up, and we are going to multiply total section 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 till n beta. So that means overall answer will become 2n factorial by n factorial. This is the answer. 2n factorial by n factorial. So that means we need to multiply n factorial up beta, because after n only n plus 1 will come. You remember, after 7 only 8 will come, and 8 is what? 7 plus 1. 8 is what? 7 plus 1. Did you got this point? Come on children, say fast. Did you got this point? Huh? Understood or not? Come on, say. If you have understood means we'll go for the next question. Done now. We will solve next question. Come on, we'll go for the next question. Your question is you have to find the value of n. Okay? You have to find the value of n plus 2 factorial. Write down. N plus 2 factorial is equal to 2550 into n factorial. Solve this question. N plus 2 factorial equal to 2550 into n factorial. Try this question and get the value of n. I taught you one simple method. That simple method was कि whenever n factorial is here n plus 2 factorial is there, we need to reduce it. We need to reduce it. Okay? Which side you are going to reduce? Think. Can I solve this question? Raja? Can I try? Or you want to try? Huh? Yes, you need to find the value of n. You need to find the value of n. Quickly solve, yaar. Try. Okay, I'll solve. Leave it. I'll try and solve. Huh? Now look here. If they will give you this question, how you are going to solve the question, just check this one out. Huh? Now look here, beta. N plus 2 factorial is there. Na? The one which is bigger, we need to break it into n factorial. Huh? So now here what we are going to do is n plus 2, n plus 1 till n factorial. Correct, no? 2 apro 1 means 1 less. Correct, no? So n plus 2, n plus 1 and then n factorial. And this side is coming as n factorial into 2550 beta. So this side gone, this side gone. N factorial dead. So after n factorial dead means what left? N plus 2, n plus 1. You know in an equation left side is always equal to right side. We always know that in an equation left side is always equal to right side. So we need to find factor of 2550. That will be the answer for you. So 5 if you are writing, 5 5s are 25, 1 0. Now 5 if you are writing what it is coming, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Is it going to give any solution for us? No. We need consecutive numbers. We need 2 consecutive numbers if you remember. Huh? So now look here. So again, can I write here 3, 4, 2, 2. Understood? 5, 5, 3, 2, 2. 5, 5, 3, 2, 2. So one 5, 5, 3, 2, 2 is there. We need to arrange it in a very better way. So better way is 6 1s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Now check again. 2021 will come. Check any two consecutive numbers we need. And here our factor is 5 5s are 25, and then 25 gone 5 1 5 10. So 510 is coming. Once 510 is coming, after that 5 ones are 5, 1 coming, it is coming as 5 ones are 5. If it is coming 510, 5 ones are 5, it is coming as 102. So it is coming as, again it will not come with, check this one out. 510 is there, 510. If you want to divide it with 5, so 5 ones are 5. 1 coming, here you have to put 0. So 10 will come. So 102 will come here, 102. Now here 3 will give you, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Now here it is coming 2, 1 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. Oh, 17 came. So here if this part will come, check this one out. So only I thought factor is not coming. It is coming 22 into 2 into 17 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now beta we need to block it because here it is coming problem. Check this one out. 7 3s are 21. And here 3 ones are 3 4 5, not coming. 5 5s are 25 50, got it, 51 and 50, two consecutive numbers, 51 and 50. So once you will get 51, really it gives happiness when you will get this. So now 51 in an equation, left side is equal to right side, this pair with this pair with this. So n plus 2 is equal to 51. So n is equal to 51 minus 2, n is coming as 45. Now second one if you will pair, n plus 1 is equal to 50, n is coming as 50 minus 1, n is coming as 49. I rest my case. This is exactly the way we can solve the question. Only this part is the typical breaking 2550. So on better 2550, when you are breaking, you need to be very carefully break. See here, I too did mistake. I wrote 12. But when I saw that part, 12 means 510 is there now. So 5 ones are 5. Then only 1 will come down. That means to bring 0, we need to put 0 there. Then 2 came out. So only 1 not 2. Otherwise answer will not come. I hope you might have understood. Sujata, did you got this point, beta? Everyone pray. What happened? Why this reaction? Come on, go for it. One more question like this I'm giving you. Sujata understood how to solve these type of questions. When these type of questions are coming means keep your brain one side and then solve. Here, if you will go by factorization method means tomorrow only it will be solved. So do shortcut method in an equation, left side is equal to right side. Factor alignment you do and take n value and solve. And see very nicely, I skipped. I did this one with 51 and this one with 50. Both time I got 49. My work over. Understood? So we'll solve one more question like this. It will become easy for you to solve. Huh? Can we go for it, please? So n plus 1, 1 factorial. Come on, go for it. This time you only going to solve. N plus 1 factorial equal to 12 into n minus 1 factorial. 12 into n minus 1 factorial. And this is very easy question. I think much easier than this question what we have solved. Come on, go for it. Any answer coming means tell me. My work will be over. I should not be putting more pressure in my brain. Thank you. Name, beta. Bless you. Thank you, Krishna. So n plus 1 factorial, n plus 1 factorial is equal to 12 into n minus 1 factorial. Come on, go for it. I had one student named Krishna, so only I'm asking. Is it your real name or ID name? N is 4 and 2. I. Two values of n will come. Fraction not coming. Either fraction or two values, only one value will come. Now look here. How to solve this question, beta? So n plus 1 factorial is equal to 12 n minus 1 factorial. So n plus 1 apro it will come n and then n minus 1. See, 1 consecutive terms will get reduced. N plus 1 n minus 1 and then it will come 12 into n minus 1 factorial. This section cancelled. N plus 1 into n is equal to 12. So beta n plus 1 into n, 12 can be written as 4 into 3. So 4 you make it equal to n plus 1. N plus 1 equal to 4. So n is equal to 4 minus 1. N is coming as 3. And then second part n is directly coming as 3. Story over. This section with this section with this. Equating the like terms. Thank you so much. Bless you. Now let's solve next question, please. Sujata, I hope you might have understood. Here, two answers will not come. Only one answer will come. When you will be equating, the two factors are there. Here, one is n and second part is n plus 1. So, n plus 1 will pair with the highest value 4 and n will pair with 3. So, overall answer will come n is equal to 3. Only one answer. Okay. I hope you might have understood this part. Good. So we will solve another question. Get ready for another question. Question is n factorial if n factorial by 2 factorial n minus 3 factor n minus 2 factorial and n factorial तुम्हारा इलाज मैं करूं? Now look here, n factorial. Next part will become what beta? N factorial by 4 factorial n minus 4 factorial. This and this are in the ratio. Nothing I will do. You carry on. Why should I waste my time? Are in the ratio 2 is to 1. Then find n. Mansi. I will not do anything. Take it. Now look at better. This and this are in the ratio 2 is to 1. Thank you so much. So now beta this and this are in the ratio 2 is to 1. So now beta, what we are going to do here is we will be solving this part. So n factorial by 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial ratio. So n factorial by 4 factorial n minus 4 factorial. That's what they told. This and this are in the ratio of 2 is to 1. So 2 by 1. So this part will come in numerator and this part will come in denominator. Okay. So n factorial by 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial into 4 factorial n minus 4 factorial by n factorial. This and this will get cancelled and it will come as 2. So now here 4 factorial will open as 4 into 3 into 2 factorial and here n minus 4 factorial is there. Got? Now beta, next part is here n minus 2 factorial is there, n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial is equal to 2. So this 2 factorial and 2 factorial will get cancelled. Done. So now what we are going to do? Thank you. So here 4 into 3 into n minus 4 factorial by n minus 2 factorial is equal to 2. So 4 into 3, how much it is coming? 12, and here n minus 4 factorial, and n minus 2 will become n minus 2, n minus 3, and n minus 4 factorial is equal to 2. So this and this will get cancelled. Understood? So now 12 is equal to 12 by n minus 2, n minus 3 is equal to 2. So now shift this one that side. So 12 you divide by 2, 2 will go down and this part will go up. So here it will become n minus 2, n minus 3. Done. So once you have written like this, once you wrote till here, it will become 6. 6 is equal to n minus 3. First order wise, n minus 2 is bigger, n minus 3 is smaller. So here 6 will be written as 3 into 2 is equal to n minus 2, n minus 3. So this one will equal to 3. So 3 is equal to n minus 2. So n is coming as 5. Next part, 2 is equal to n minus 3. So n is coming as 5. That's it. Rest my case. Hi Anuj. I hope till here it is done. Understood, beta? Understood, beta? So till here we have solved. N is coming as 5. So once answer is coming as 5, yeah, I'm going to explain it again, Divya. Yes, I'm going to explain it again. So now what is given to you is, so this and this are 2, understood? So they're telling that this and this are in the ratio 2 is to 1. So first work what we are going to do, the first one will come in numerator, the second one will come in denominator, and that will be equal to 2 by 1. Now beta, here numerator section I wrote as it is n factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial, but denominator will become, this part will come up and n factorial will go down. Understood? So this and this will get cancelled. Now 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 factorial and n minus 4 factorial by n minus 2 factorial. Divya, after that what you need to do is 2 factorial up and down you cancel. Overall, what is coming, beta? 4 into 3 as it is, n minus 4 factorial. And here, if you check this one out, here it is n minus 2 factorial, here n minus 4, and here it is n minus 2 factorial, beta. So here n minus 4 factorial, n minus 2 is bigger, so we will write n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4. And then only n minus 4 and n minus 4 will get cancelled. So once you are writing n minus 4 factorial, then 12 by n minus 2, n minus 3 equal to 2. So now beta 12 by 2 is equal to n minus 3, n minus 2. And with that only we will cancel and solve. I hope you might have understood. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on, go for it, beta. We'll go for the next question, please. Okay, Divya. Good, beta. So if somebody will be asking you this question, like you need to bring an answer, 2n factorial by n factorial will be equal to what? Solve this question. See, after every time, na, the terms are getting reduced by 1 beta. If 5 is there, after 5, what will come? 4, na. So, if n minus 2 is there, see, n minus 2 means, n minus 2 factorial means, after this, the term will get reduced. So, after this, what will be the next term? N minus 2, and then it will become n minus 2 minus 1. Correct now, this factorial. So n minus 2 into n minus 3. Why? Because every successive terms are reduced by 1. So if it is 5, 5 reduced by 1 will become 4. 4 reduced by 1 will become 3. 3 reduced by 1 will become 2. Like this way. So if n minus 1 is there, the next term will be n minus 2. Minus means even lesser than the previous term. So if n minus 1 will be there, after that the next term will be n minus 2 beta, lesser than the previous term. Did you got this point? Lesser than the previous term. And then after that n minus 2, it will come as n minus 3. So here the number in minus will keep on getting increased, not reduced. Reduced means you will go bigger number. Whatever comes in minus will always be smaller, na, even smaller here. So if n minus 3, somebody will ask you n minus 3 and n minus 7. Which one is a smaller? Which one is a smaller? Then answer is n minus 7, because here 7 is subtracted from n and here 3 is subtracted from n. Understood, Sujata? Don't get confusion about it. If confusion will come, means problem will come. So you need to be very, very stable for solving these questions, beta. So come on, go for this question. 2n factorial by n factorial will be equal to 1. Try and solve this question. 2n factorial by n factorial will be equal to 1. So when this type questions are coming, how we are going to proceed the question, just one time see. First you understand what you are going to solve. Okay. Now look here, somebody will write 10. 10 will be written as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now beta, if 10 you are writing, 10 factorial, so here these numbers you are writing, correct? Now here 10 factorial means how many odd numbers will be there and how many even numbers will be there. So if 1 to 10, 1 to 10, just understand. When you are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, in 1 to 10, how many even numbers are there? Even number, even number, even number, even number, even number. Count how many even numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in total 10 numbers, 5 numbers are even and automatically 5 numbers will become odd. Correct? 5 numbers will be even and 5 numbers will become odd. In the same way, if somebody will ask you 2n numbers are there, 2n factorials will be there, then how many numbers will be even and how many numbers will be odd? 10 numbers means 5 even, 5 odd. 20 numbers means 10 even, 10 odd. 100 numbers means 50 even, 50 odd. 200 numbers means 100 even, 100 odd. Then 2n numbers means n even, n odd. That's it. Done. Got it. So for n 2n numbers, n even and n odd. That's it. So we need to follow that and solve the questions. I hope you might have understood here. So now our question was 2n factorial by n factorial. So how we are going to open 2n? 2n, then 2n minus 1, then 2n minus 2, then 2n minus 3, till how much it will come? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by n factorial. Done. So how we have opened it out? We have written 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3, 2n minus 4, till 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Done. Okay. Now after this, we are going to separate out even and odd. How we are going to separate out? 2n is even number. Then 2n minus 2 is even number. Then 2n minus 4 is even number. Then 2n minus 6 is even number. Then like this, 6 into 4 into 2. These are all even numbers till last, because everything is in multiplication. Since everything is in multiplication, it will come 2n, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 4, 2n minus 16, 6, 4, 2. Done. Now here we are going to write another odd numbers. What will be our odd numbers? Our odd numbers will be 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, 2n minus 5, till 5 into 3 into 1. So this is a set of all odd numbers, and it is coming from total 2n factorial, half even, half odd. Okay. So n even terms and n odd numbers. So it is coming as n factorial. Till here, I hope everybody understood. Come on. N factorial no need, na, because see, there is some other plan. If you are going to open n factorial means the things will become little typical. So why to make it tough? Make it simple. So what we are going to do is we will try to make it simple. So now beta here in all these terms, if you check nicely, what is there? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Understood? So 2 we will take out. So how many terms even and how many terms odd? N terms even and n terms odd. Total 2n factorials are there. So if total 2n factorials are there, that means n factorial even and n factorial odd. N factorial even and n factorial odd. So now here, when you are solving this question, beta, 2 will come out from here, 2 will come out from here, 2 will come out from here, 2 will come out. That means how many times 2 will come out? N times 2 will come out. How many times 2 will come out? N times 2 will come out. Understood? So here it will come 2 to the power n times. We are taking out 2. From here we are taking out 2. Here we are taking out 2. Here. From all the terms we have taken out 2. So overall how many 2 we have taken time? N times 2 taken out. So it will become 2 to the power n. 2 will multiply how many times? N times. So it will become 2 to the power n. After that remaining what will become? What will be coming? Sorry, it will become n. Next will become n minus 1, because from here if you will take out 2, what will be left? Paija, look here. From here if you are taking out 2, what will be left? N minus 1. And from here if you are taking out 2 means n minus 2, n minus 3. Till from here if you will take out 2 means 2 into 1. So from every single factors we have taken out 2. So from every single factors, if we are taking out 2, that means how many times we have taken out 2? We have taken out 2 n times. How many times we have taken out 2? We have taken out 2 n times. And once we have taken out 2 n times, that means what? These are the odd terms that will be left as it is. We are not going to touch the odd terms. We are only going to solve the even terms. So when we are solving the even terms, odd terms will be written as it is 2n minus 3 and then 2n minus 5 till 5 into 3 into 1, and denominator problem is same. It will become what? N factorial. So now beta here 2 to the power n is there. Now wind it up. N minus 1, n minus 2, this will become what? N factorial. And here it will come as 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3 till 5 into 3 into 1 by n factorial. This gone. Story over. Solve. So now look here. Once you have solved till here, that means what is the true answer coming as? 2n into 2n minus 1. All odd terms will be left. N minus 3 till 5 into 3 into 1. That's the answer. Understood? So accidentally also, if somebody will be giving you these type of questions, means you will be the one who will be able to solve these type of questions. I hope you might have understood this part better. Hmm? 10 terms means 5 odd, 5 even. 10 terms means 5 odd and 5 even. 20 terms means I hope you might have understood. Did you got this? 20 terms means 10 odd, 10 even. 100 terms means 50 odd, 50 even. 1000 terms means 500 odd, 500 even. 1 lakh terms means 50,000 odd and 50,000 even. So that like that. So 2n means n odd and n even. So when these type of questions will be there, you will definitely be knowing how to kill these questions. Come on. I hope you will be able to solve these questions. One last question for today. Let's solve. Okay. Come on, these many questions I solved. It's now your turn to solve and come on, give me the answer. N plus 2 factorial will be equal to 60 into n minus 1 factorial. Find n. This model, one more question, I will give it up. No problem, I'll give. So next class also, because permutation word problems we are going to solve. So typically we will be solving these type questions. Yeah. One more questions like this we will solve next class. I just before itself I didn't saw your comment. Otherwise I could have given. No problem. Shall we solve another question? Next time I will start with this type question only. Tough question. And then we will go with permutation. Permutation content I will explain and I will solve. Okay. Can I solve? Last question for today. Hmm? Or you want to solve and give me the answer? Tough? No, easy only. N plus 2 factorial. Akka? Ama. No problem. Now look here, beta. N plus 2 bigger one, so n plus 2, n plus 1, n, and after it is coming as n minus 1 factorial. So if 2 is there, n plus 2 is there, it will become n plus 2 means n plus 2, n plus 1, n, and then it will come n minus 1. Okay, and here it is coming as 60 into n minus 1 factorial. So left right cancellation, this and this will get cancelled. Now what left there is, don't touch this corner, n plus 2 n plus 1 n. Now beta you have to find factor of 60. Now 60 you need to arrange very nicely. 60 will be coming as 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5. So which and all numbers are coming? 5, 4, 3. If you see 5, uproot 2 to the 4 and 3. So we are going to write 5 into 4 into 3. I hope you got the answer. So now look at overall answer is n is equal to 3. How? Now this number will become equal to 5. After that, this number will become equal to 4. After that, this number equal to 3. So answer is coming as which one? N is equal to 3 answer is coming. How? Check this one out. Direct n is equal to 3 or this part n plus 1 equal to 4. Shift this one, n is equal to 3 or n plus 2 is equal to 5. Shift, I rest my case. So answer is coming as what beta? N is equal to 3. I hope you might have understood. How was the class? So we need factorials for permutation. So we learn factorials, how to solve factorials and how to resolve it. Okay. Now next class, direct word problems and some typical content and how if case study permutations are coming, then how we can solve questions related to case studies. How to catch the word in permutation is most important. Understood? Because permutation is not alone. With permutation, combination will come and then its upper probability will come. Understood? And when all the three will be coming and merged together means definitely something very, very problematic will come. That time we must learn how to come out of it. I hope you might have understood how. So that section when we will be solving with some question answers and some word problems and some how to solve it in a very simple way. That content I will be teaching you in the next class. Then, so bye bye everyone. Good night. Have a nice evening. Enjoy nicely. Bye bye.